Here we are on Route 66, a place called Doolittle we're coming up on. So Doolittle was originally called Centerville. It's named after World War II. General James H. Doolittle made his raid on Tokyo in 1942. There's like 600 people who live here. This town wasn't incorporated until 1944. There we go, we got a cool site on our left here. So just before town of Doolittle, look at this old relic. It's called the Hargis Tourist Camp. Also, it's called the All-American Camp. We used to have a Texaco filling station here in a row of cabins out here, all lined up to the highway. Cabins are all gone, but here we have this great looking building. And later on, it was a roller skate rink. Take a look at this. It's for roller skating. How about that? Anyway, it's the old Hargis roller skate rink here. Now 2 doors down from the skating rink, still got our Route 66 here all crackling up. This building here kind of looks like the skating rink. Anyway, this is Ramsey's Garage, also called the Centerville Garage. Dates back to 1927. It is run by Monroe and Haiti Ramsey. Looking down Route 66. Cool building. It's like this concrete block garage. Anyway, eventually this guy was bypassed in the 1950s. 1941 is built up the garage you see today. In the back, there's some cabins used during World War II to house people coming and going from Fort Leonard Wood down the road on the way to Devil's Elbow. These little cabins here behind our garage. Yeah, the Ramsey's garage. Very cool. Look at this thing. It's gorgeous. So there's two buildings here. This one here is that cabin right there. That's got that beautiful giraffe pattern style, local sandstone from our Ozarks. This building here, we'll take a look and go fast. I don't think it's open. Yeah, it's locked or jammed in there. So on Route 66, just past Truman, which is Highway T in Doolittle, we have this building here. It's called the Malone's Service Station. Built in 1941. We got a little box style rectangular building owned by the Hudson Oil Company, sold Hudson gas. And over here we had 12 gas pumps. See this pad right here? Little island there for all the gas pumps. We also had a restaurant next door. I believe the restaurant was on this side here, where it's all vacant. And that was demolished in 1960 when they built the Highway T coming through here. This area was improved, so there you go. Today I think it's a flower and gift shop, but I'm not really sure. Hey, up on the right we have these 2 little pillars here. This is the entrance to Bennett's Doolittle Cafe. We got the primary building up here. It's your personal residence now, so we'll continue down the street. I'll tell you a bit about this place as we drive forward just a little bit. So that little cafe is owned by Paul and Gladys Bennett. Opened as the Catfish Cafe in 1942, and Paul was a preacher. He's a fishing, coon hunting preacher of the Ozarks. And he passed away in 1950s. And a year after his death, Route 66 bypassed their store, and then Gladys decided to move, and then it's all cut off, and now it's a residence. So that little building right there was once the very cool Catfish Cafe, owned by our preacher Paul. This area here is pretty much the last of Doolittle. these places here. Anyway, the last of Doolittle, right on Route 66 here. Look at that road. That's phenomenal. Anyway, it heads up right here and it intersects with Interstate 44. We'll take a break and figure out where we're going to go next. And I think we're going to head down to the town of Newburg. Check out some more cool sights.